Hey guys, welcome back. Martin here from the Futures Room at the ShadowTrader Live Trading Suite. And today I'm looking over ES Futures, but I'm looking over the key items I look for the day before in order so I can build a narrative for the next trading day. The number one thing I look for to begin the day is always the internals. We want to see if the weather is sunny or rainy, because the overall market will dictate where everything goes, regardless of any levels of any kind of other items I may be looking at. Right after that, I always look for the settle price or the closing price. It's the number one thing I look for, even probably before the internals for the next day, because I want to see, is inventory being traded above or below that close price overnight. So if you see here from Friday, the settle was around 53.5575. We traded below that settle for most of Sunday and into Monday open. So there was a strong, feeling that there might be a squeeze at least into, the lows here of the settle price. On the flip side, if we were above, I might consider to see a push down, a liquidation. The next thing we look for is things like, are we outside or inside previous day's value area? Friday's value area was from about 5352.75 to 5370.75. So that was quite wide, and we opened outside of it. Now, sometimes being outside of value indicates longer term participants are pushing price in their direction. Either they're doing the drive down or the drive up. Today, I felt that wasn't the case in terms of that C low overnight held and couldn't get taken out, and we were slowly building back up to the highs. But what I would be looking for with this situation is, can we poke into value, twice in 2 periods, and then we have more of a chance that we're going to rotate higher to the top side of value. And we know this from market profile teachings. That if we get into previous day's value for 2 periods, at least a little bit, there's a very high chance that we will rotate to the top side of value for the end of the day. This was indeed the situation today. And the final thing I like to look at is POCs from previous days and nights, right? So for example, the POC on Friday was at 5363. The overnight POC was at 5353. So I look for those levels as levels of interest, right? As levels as we are progressing upwards. If those levels get rejected, then we might have a rejection down, or if they blow through those levels like they did here and created single prints because the market moved so quickly through them, we now have an area of support to the top side. These are some of the things I look for to sort of build my narrative for the next day. Let me know what you look for and in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.
Hi, this is Martin from the Futures Room of the Live Trading Suite. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And if you'd like to trade live with me in real time, click the link in the description below. I will see you in the room.